Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the A Collision with Purpose project under the spotlight. Here, individuals are allowed to explore themselves in pursuit of their purpose. I am Dr. Laxley Stephenson, and I'm your host. The A Collision with Purpose project allows individuals to pause, take a quiet moment and listen, be introspective, and engage self-reflection in pursuing their purpose to unleash possibilities with far-reaching implications for self and others. Today, the Collision with Purpose project spotlight is on Miss Imari Harris. Miss Harris is a student at the University of Florida, majoring in political science with a minor in sociology of justice and policy. Imari plans to continue her education by attending law school to earn her JD degree. She's currently a litigation clerk for a local law firm. She pursues her passion to inspire young women to pursue careers in the criminal justice field through her community service initiative, which is a mentorship program she created for young girls to explore careers in the criminal justice field. Folks, let us welcome Miss Imari Harris to the A Collision with Purpose project on the spotlight.
Oh my gosh. Hi, I'm so excited to be here.
Ms. Harris, it is a pleasure to welcome you to the Collision with Purpose project on the spotlight.
Thank
I
you
am
so
looking
much.
forward to having an engaging, insightful, and interactive conversation with you about a topic which is arguably one of the most consequential concepts in forming how we function as individuals and ultimately what we perceive as our legacy.
Yes, I'm really excited just to be able to speak with you and speak on my platform through the Miss America organization. I think that it's really important, everything that all of the girls do, but especially my platform with criminal justice. I just don't see enough women, enough representation, and I'm trying to curb that problem through my mentorship program.
That is so awesome. That is so awesome. So, Ms. Harris, today I'll be asking you a series of questions relating to purpose. And you will have the opportunity to speak on all those wonderful things that you're currently involved with. So, are you ready to do it?
I am.
You are, and I can tell the enthusiasm is so high. You know, you're getting me excited.
I know my face hurts from smiling so hard.
Okay, okay. So this is awesome. This is good stuff. So this is what I would like you to do. Can you take me back to your early days?
My early days.
Yeah,
I
right.
feel like I'm still in my early days.
Let's go earlier, your earlier days.
I think, well, my if you ask my mom, I've always wanted to be a lawyer ever since I was 5 years old and knew what college was. I told her that I was going to Harvard Law and that I was going to be a big shot New York attorney. And my dreams of being a New York attorney were unfortunately squashed when I actually visited New York. The city is just a little too fast for me. I don't think that I could actually live out there, but I've always just had a passion for law and government. I really believe that voices are best heard when they have a seat at the table. And if not me, then who? I don't ever want to be a victim of bystander syndrome. I don't want to think someone else is going to solve this problem or someone else is going to come along and be a better fit for it. If I'm not a better fit for this problem right here, well, can I find somebody who is, or can I adopt the mannerisms of the people who I see solving the issues that I believe are important? And I never want to fall prey to the mindset of, oh, I can't because I'm not ready right here in this moment. Well, what can we do to get ready? Because at the end of the day, if somebody has to do it, so I always figure, why not me?
So not ready is that's not an excuse, is it? That's
I'm not. I just believe you're never really going to be ready. You miss out on so many moments, so many opportunities, so many doors that can be open for you waiting on the right time. There's never a right time. A right time is never going to come for you to start something. And I think that I am a testament to that, especially this year. You just have to keep fighting until the very end, until you see the results that you want to come. If you truly believe in something, you just can't let up off the gas until your goals are accomplished.
just do it, huh?
Just do it, like Nike.
Just do it like Nike. No, no, no. Just do it like Imari. That's more appropriate right now. Because that's what I'm hearing. And something tells me that's exactly what you're doing. You're doing it.
Yes, I have not had a break probably since the beginning of this local competition season.
Tell me about the competition season and what's going on with the
I
competition. What's this all about?
Well, it's the local title holders, well, the local competition season for the Miss Florida Scholarship Competition through the Miss America organization. So I'm a local title holder. I promise I'm not just a crazy lady wearing a crown. I am Miss Florida Gator 2023, and I have the opportunity to compete in June for the title of Miss Florida. And if I were to be crowned the new Miss Florida, I would then compete at Miss America. And our organization does not compete internationally. So the highest that we go is to Miss America. And I just think that it's so amazing seeing so many bright and intellectual young women all in the same room. They all have different platforms, different social movements that they're doing. And it is the only space that I feel like I have the opportunity to be theatrical and show off my legal side. We have a talent section, and I write and perform monologues, and then in the same breath, change my clothes, get back on stage, and talk for 30 seconds about Vote Pink, which is a mentorship program that I created for young girls to explore different fields in the criminal justice region. And I just think that it's so much fun. I grew up dancing. My mom put me in the studio when I was 2 years old, and being on stage, it feels like my home. I love being able to express myself to people in that way. So through pageantry, I've been able to keep up my theatrics. I keep up writing monologues, and sometimes I create my own costumes. Sometimes I don't. I get to play with hair and makeup. That's always fun. And then now I have a shiny crown and a brand new platform to be able to speak on. And I just hope that I get to inspire young women the way that I was inspired when I was younger, because I didn't have somebody who looked like me that was doing the same things that I was looking forward to. And through pageantry, through Vote Pink, through literally everything that I do, I want to be the representation that my younger self did not have. Because I have two beautiful nieces and a beautiful baby sister. I say baby, but she's 13, and she would be like, I'm not a baby. But I think that it's important that they see people not only in their family, but women that look like them pursuing politics, pursuing law, pursuing government, pursuing pageantry, because we are rare in these fields. And I think that that is sad. And it's not for lack of trying. It's not for lack of believing that we can do it. It's just for lack of representation. I feel like if more girls were just to start in competing or start going to law school and start exploring these careers in politics and in law and government, we would see our young generation coming up behind us. Sometimes you just need to see someone do it to believe that you can do it yourself.
Well, I suspect we're turning the corner with that. Having you,
Yes.
you're going to make the difference. You're going to set it off the right way. No
If not,
doubt.
if not me, then who? That's just the mindset that I've had for a very long time.
Not Imari, then who? And I'm so on board with what you're saying. Good stuff. I commend you for that.